Here's how to use a portable air purifier. You can see right here, it's basically the size of a water bottle. It's super small, but all you're gonna wanna do when you take it out of the box, this one actually has a HEPA filter. You can basically see right here, it just comes with the air purifier as well as the cord so you can actually charge it, or you can actually use one of your normal cords if you don't wanna use one of these cords like so, but it just requires a USB-C cord to charge it. And basically this right here, this other thing on top, you can actually just attach it to the top if you do want to carry it like one of these things for a water bottle. But all you're going to want to do to attach this thing is you can see we can just put it in place like so. It just locks, it's going to bend a little bit. And basically when it's in place, you can see this is how you can carry it around if you want to. But once you've done that, you can basically see we need to remove this packaging label like so. In doing so, this will allow us to actually turn it on and use it. Now when you actually get it, it will come charged a little bit. And you can see we can just click the power button, and there's actually 3 settings. Green light 1 is the lowest, 2 is the second lowest, and 3 is obviously the highest. So this is the purest air in the room. But basically all you're gonna need to do is you just want to plug this thing in to whatever you're actually trying to charge it with. You can see I have a C cord right here. In doing so, you can charge it while you're using it, and just take this anywhere, put it in your car's cup holder, put it on the go, put it in your classroom, wherever you're doing work. But I don't think it replaces one of these air purifiers just because it's not as powerful and doesn't purify the air as much. And you do have to replace it over time if you're relying on this heavily in a super dusty room. That's all you need to do to use this. Found this helpful? Consider leaving a like down below and subscribing to the channel if you're new. And this battery right here shows the battery. You can see it's on red, meaning it is charging.